Hi everyone. For people who have been following me for the last few tutorials where we have actually worked in Photoshop and tried to slice our layout that we have designed that we're going to be putting in a final website. This series of a tutorial is basically what I'm going to show you from scratch as to how you can create an empty page and you can start putting in content. And actually much later you actually get the CSS layout to put your content in a particular format. I am not following any particular design as such. I'm going to design a very basic from scratch. I'll create different pages in HTML and I'll get the content which I have made in a Word file, and I'm going to copy the content from the Word file into my blank HTML page, link the pages, and then we're going to talk about layout. So in this particular tutorial I'll be creating blank web pages and I'll be copying content from a Word file into my blank pages without any layout, one plain page. Alright, so let's create a HTML page. I have already created some pages. I'm going to start with the most basic ones. I'm going to choose a blank page. I'm going to change the title and call it welcome to RATM fan page. I'm actually making a fan website here, very basic, of my favorite rock band, and I'm going to copy the Word file into this blank HTML file. I have the Word file open here, and this is how I have organized the content in my Word file. This is my home page. I will copy all the content. Now, as you can see that there already some kind of styling applied already here. The heading is applied in H1 and you have bold and all that. So just Control C, copy, come back to Dreamweaver, go to edit and click on paste special. And here, as you can see, you get an option. I have showed you this before in the class. I'll go with the third one, which will just copy the basic formatting. Okay, I'll click OK. And as you can see, it has already applied certain formatting. If I click on the top one, you can see it's applying H1, exactly what I applied in my Word file. I can do a lot more editing further from this point on. I can select few things, I can make it bold or italic, but I can do all that in CSS as well. So I'm going to just show you that I have made a blank file and I have named it Control S. This is my HTML folder. This is my folder where I'm making all my material from a website. This is my root folder. I've called it RATM, and this is my HTML pages. I've already made the rest of the pages. I'm just making the home page again. Okay, so I'll just name it home page and save it. There's another page which I want to create, which is the contact page. I'll go to again file, new, choose HTML with no layout whatsoever and click on create. Okay, I have this blank page. I'll go back to my Word file and I'll go to the last page, which is the contact page. As you can see, I've made a table here which I'll be using later, to create a form in my website. I'm coming back to Dreamweaver. It's a blank page. I'll go to edit, paste special. In this case, I will choose the same format. All right, and as I can see, the table has also come. Okay, I'll obviously style it further later on in HTML, but I'm just taking everything that is coming to me from the Word file. I'll save it again, file, save. I'll name it contacts. Okay, contact us or contact. I'll save it. Okay, I have made all the pages. I've copied all the possible content. Now remember that I have not bought any images as of yet. I'll start bringing images. I'll start bringing background content in much later. Right now I've just got the pages, got the content from the Word file, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect all the pages together. Now at this particular point I'll go to home page and I'll basically connect all the pages, link all the pages to my home page through this navigation panel. Right? That's the subject of the next tutorial.